Hey friends, this morning we are brushing teeth. They know it's coming, they can smell it, they love it, they're lining up. All right, so I keep their brushes in this cup separated so they don't touch. I get weird about the bacteria, and you'll see at the end more of what I do here to help that. So this is the coconut oil that I use, and I just put some on their brush with a little water. I forget I have no pants on, guys, so sorry I had to edit this video a lot. Sometimes I forget that I have frownies on and no pants, so I apologize now. So I used to brush their teeth, but now I just focus on rubbing the coconut oil on their gums. I also, afterwards, I spray alcohol on everything several times.